Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting a post-market report and pre-market levels for bank nifties and nifty. So if you are regularly watching my videos, please comment me about your feedbacks and about your trading experiences. Okay, how it is going on and how my levels are working or not. Okay, so anyway, you have to analyze on your own and trade it. Okay, don't take my levels or anyone levels. Okay, so coming to the topic, this is pre-market levels for Bank Nifty tomorrow, March 1st. Okay, already we have posted post-market report for today Bank Nifty. If you are not watched, please watch my previous video and come back to this video. Okay, so already I said market is trying to recover. Okay, due to global reasons, it is unable to move up. Okay, just traveling in the range bound and in these levels. Okay, so about tomorrow, this blue level which I marked 40 to 40, 40 to 40 is the main ranges here. Okay, so uh, this red color line 43 is important resistance. Okay, so if market either opening in the today closing position, okay, just imagine if it is opening here, just wait because market able to take a resistance from here and there. Okay, once it's up, just wait for the retracement. Okay, once taken retracement, then go for long up to this level 4523. Okay, sometimes this retracement won't happen. It will directly it will went long, but that is rare. If it is a more trending day, it will move directly. Okay, so tomorrow it is a little trending day, not that much trending day, but chances are high for that little trending day. Okay, so that's it. Uh, Yesterday I said like today will be the sideways day. Same thing happened today. Tomorrow we'll see whether it will be a good trending day or not. Okay, but probability will be a little trending day only for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Okay, so for long position, once breaken this 43.43, then go for long 45.23 is the first target, and then 46 not C is the second target. Okay, this one. Okay, then you can go up to here once breaken these levels. Okay, for the short position, see if market opening here or it is breaking from uh, above levels, just wait. Okay, once broken here will be like this kind of waves. Okay, once broken previous day low and taken resistance from previous day low, then go for short. Okay, up to this level 39,840. Okay, 39,842 the zone, because market will try to go up from this position. Okay, if sometime market opening in gap down, okay, in the single candle market is coming and taking support from here, just wait. If started support and from this zone, if it is going, then go for long position up to previous day low. Okay, so it is like around the 200 points. Okay, so this is scenarios. Just I'm saying what are the scenarios you have to, like, after your own methodology, own analysis only you get to know how to handle this kind of days. Okay, so we cannot able to explain like every scenario is correct. That's it. So briefly, I'm telling for long position, once breaken this zone like 43, after this support, you can go for long. For short position, after previous day low has been broken and taken resistance, then go for short. Okay. If any possibility to take support from this green line 39,842, then go for long. It will touch previous day low and above also. Okay. You can follow the trailing stop loss, and also normal once traded started trading, like executed any price strike price, please put your stop loss. Okay, based on your financial things and also the levels. Okay, so normally if you taken long from here, you can put the stop loss below this blue line. Okay, For short position also, if you take short position from here, you can put the stop loss on above above this level. Okay, little above from this red line. Okay, that's it. So this is for the pre-market peak levels for tomorrow bank nifty. Analyze on your own methodology with my levels or your own strategy. Let me know on comments how it is working. Okay, we'll see you on tomorrow on next video. Thank you so much.